Hello class, my name is Mike Tran and I will be giving you instructional video on how to make tutorials on YouTube. And you may be wondering how I'm going to do this, but I can tell you it's quite easy. So the particular program that I use to make tutorials is called Screencast-Matics. So how Screencast-Matics works is that you come to Screencast-O-Matics and once you come there, they have a button that lets you allow to start recording. No need to make an account or any of that stuff, and it's just gonna ask you to install a few Java things. But once you receive it, right? Once you click that button, I'm gonna show you here. I made a screenshot earlier. It's gonna give you this box. In this particular box, it's gonna be the area of your recording. So, for example, like if you want to drag in images or whatever, you will drag it inside this box as you're recording, and that's how I'm doing this video. So you may be asking, okay, how are you gonna make a tutorial on YouTube? Is it that simple? Well, of course I have to have some core to what I'm making. So what we're gonna make today is using Movie Maker. Movie Maker is the first program I used when I was in high school. And you guys may look at me like as it's an ancient tool, but it is free to use. And I really got interested in using movie editing skills by watching like anime, if you haven't thought. So what I'm going to teach you guys today is how to make viral videos. So what I did here is I went on YouTube and I grabbed one of these hilarious like animal funny videos. You know everyone knows that animals can't talk. So what I did here was when I grabbed the video, I placed it here, and we're gonna play through the video just to see what it looks like and where I'm gonna lead into. And as you notice, it's just a dog skateboarding, which I think is pretty hilarious. So what you guys may be wondering what I'm gonna do with this video. So I feel like through my time on the internet, anything with captions are just hilarious. So what we're gonna do today is subbing 101. If you watch anime or you watch foreign flicks, you know what subbing is. So how it works is you grab a film that obviously doesn't have sound or English or any of the sort. It can have sound or whatever, and you're gonna add captions to it. So how captions work on Windows Movie Maker is that you click caption button and it allows you to enter text. But you want to only enter text on a certain amount of time depending on the reaction. You have to get the right framework. You don't want them to feel like it's not this text is just in there just to be in there. So what we're gonna do here is like I'm just gonna write yay diggity. I don't know if I spelled that right. Yeah diggity, as the dog is skateboarding, right? So it's gonna look like this from the start, as if the dog is talking. But as you notice, it's off. It's kind of off. It's kind of weird that it started in the beginning. So what I want to do here is the timer. It's all about the timer. You want to set the timers right when the image is when the dog's looking at you, to just make it, to give it that realism that he's talking. So let's go at 90. Let's make it last 3 long. So this is the end time. This is start time. So it starts at 90 seconds of the video and ends at 3. Right? After 3 seconds. So it's gonna look like this. And it disappears off the screen. And as you see, as the dog stared at us, it waved off the screen. So, concluding my tutorial, obviously I'm not gonna spend my whole class period fulfilling you guys on like how to make this a super viral video by like adding more hilarious text to it. But pretty much after you do that, you could just click add to YouTube, and there you go. You had contributed to the internet, and you had actually helped other people in realizing how entertaining it is to sub videos. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys all do well in your quiz. So this ends my presentation. High five. Or goodbye.